BitGut token versus Jasmy coin token 24 April 2022 price chart. Here I have taken various factors like ROI, rank, price change, current price where you can trade BitGut and Jasmy coin. So first we will talk about the ROI of BitGut. ROI means return of investment. So the ROI of BitGut is 9,96,969.55%, and this is the data from CoinMarketCap. Whereas if I talk about Jasmy coin, then in CoinMarketCap there is the no data of ROI. If I talk about rank of BitGut, the rank of BitGut in CoinMarketCap is 3049. Whereas if I talk about Jasmy coin rank, the rank of Jasmy coin in CoinMarketCap is 337, and now this coin is the trending coin. Many people are loving this coin. Price change in the last 24 hours. So the price change of BitGut is BitGut token has gone down up to 1.52%. 1.52% BitGut token has gone down. Whereas if I talk about Jasmy coin, the Jasmy coin has gone up to 13.9%. As you can see here, Jasmy coin has gone up to 13.9%, and as I previously told you that this coin is the trending coin, that's why the price is gradually increasing of Jasmy coin. Let's talk about the current price as today is 24 April 2022. So what is the current price of BitGut? So here you can see the current price of BitGut, $0.609924 is the current price of BitGut. If I talk about the current price of Jasmy coin, that what is the current price of Jasmy coin? Here is the current price of Jasmy coin as on 24 April 2022, $0.02632. This is the current price of Jasmy coin, and this is the current price of BitGut. Now where you can trade BitGut and Jasmy coin. Here I have written 3 platforms for BitGut where you can trade BitGut. First one is Get.io. If you don't have an account in Get.io, then create an account in Get.io. After that, you would need a USDT to purchase a Bryce. Then second platform is LBank. From LBank also you can trade Bryce, but you need a USDT and an account in LBank. Third one is Bitmart. You can trade BitGut Bryce token in Bitmart also, but you need a account in Bitmart. Also one more thing, you need a USDT. Let's talk about Jasmy coin market. Okay, so here you can see, here I have written 4 platforms: Get.io, KuCoin, Binance, CoinSwitch, Kuber. So if you want to trade Jasmy coin in Get.io, you need a account in Get.io, also a USDT. Same for KuCoin, you need an account in KuCoin and a USDT to purchase a Jasmy token. Third one is Binance. You can trade in Binance also, but you need an account in Binance and a USDT. Okay, and the last one is CoinSwitch Kuber. Okay, now the CoinSwitch Kuber is for Indian people, and they can trade Jasmy coin with INR. So here I have written 4 platforms for Jasmy coin. I am repeating again: Get.io, KuCoin, Binance, CoinSwitch, Kuber. These 4 platforms are for Jasmy coin. I think you can see clearly here 4 platforms. Just a second. Now the 3 platforms are for BitGut: Get.io, LBank, and Bitmart. So you can see here. Also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and a disclaimer also, I am not a financial advisor. I just make a video in crypto, that which crypto coin is going up and which crypto coin is going down. Okay, also no one can predict related to crypto that which crypto will go up. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.